am not a big beer drinker, and I think a lot of women try to limit the amount of beer they drink because it can leave us feeling like really full and heavy.
Right, so I hear that a lot as well. I think that has to do with the way we're conditioned to drink beer, which is directly out of a can or a bottle, very, very cold and in excess, like lots of it. So you're drinking, you know, beer is carbonated.
Well, that's true. Like, you know, especially when you're a kid and that solo cup thing.
And you're just going and going and
you're
going.
knocking them back like, you know, Frank the Tank.
Not ideal. Frank the Tank. Not ideal, but, you know, so if you're using a glass, I think that's really, really important, number one, because carbonation is in the liquid, right? So it's in the bottle, and cold temperatures keep it locked in even more. So if you're drinking it and goes directly into your stomach, where is it going to expand? In your stomach, and that's automatically going to make you feel more full.
Oh, I see. You're literally putting gas into your stomach.
Exactly.
That's why we feel full, ladies.